Can you imagine a productivity system that talks to you, rewards you every time you finish something, and when you can't decide what to eat today, he picks for you? And that's just a few of the features I've spent almost a year building. Introducing Notion SB7. Your entire life fits in 4 spaces: gather, reflect, grind, and energy. First, grind. That's all we ever do. But do you ever end the month and can't tell if you moved forward? Here you finally know. Every goal, project, and task done or missed, every habit kept or slipped. And when motivation is gone, set a reward and a punishment on anything, and just like that, you beat procrastination. And here's my favorite part: building good habits and removing bad ones is hard, but strict wars make it fun. Set a challenge, say journal for 16 days straight. Miss a day, you start over, win, and you get rewarded. Speaking of journaling, ever watch YouTubers show off their 6 years of it while you can't make it past a week? In Reflect, every entry fills a beautiful monthly calendar, and the streak make your brain hate stopping. Oh, a notification. Your future letter is ready to open. It says, what's the coolest feature in Gather? Well, every time you read a book, finish a podcast or audiobook, and saves codes, Gather feeds you a random one back each day. So you always remember what you read and listen to. And now all this mental works needs energy, right? But sometimes we can't decide what's today's meal plan. Hit shuffle in the meal planner and it easily picks meals that match your daily calorie goal, so that PR you just hit can now show off. And the best part, you don't need to open any of these dashboards. The main one hands you everything you need day to day. There is still more feature to show, but if you think we finished, no, not yet. Here's the coolest part. You can turn SB7 into a full RPG game. Introducing Notion Game Mode V3. Let's start the growth game. First, pick your word. Build your character and choose your companion, because nobody grows alone. From now on, everything you finish, tasks, habits, podcasts, projects, and more, earns you XP that levels up your character. The real journey begins unlocking all ranks. How? Every productivity challenge you finish rewards a token: Lotus, Gems, or Shields. Those tokens levels you 3 skills: Willpower, Wisdom, and Strength. The higher your skills climb, the more ranks you unlock, and each rank boosts how fast you grow. Can't finish a challenge? Skip it with comments. Earned only by logging in daily, so keep showing up. Keep an eye on your energy. It's limited each day, because every action burns a little. Remember your companion? He lives on your good habits, grows powerful with winning streaks, and gets hurt by the bad habits. So try to not lose him. Reviving him costs a lot. Is there a better way to stay disciplined while having fun? If you need direction, your NPC is there to guide you in your journey. Finish all ranks and you hit Arc 2, unlocking a new set of ranks and challenges. And before you start, choose your difficulty. Me, I will go with medium. What about you? Either way, grab Game Mode V3 at OlsNotion.com/secondbrain at 30% off and watch your life become a game. Or check the link below. I've spent over 11 months building this template, so if you want to support, retweet this post or share it with a friend. Thanks.